The animal I am interested in is a bird. I want to know why they have feathers.
Why do birds have feathers? Birds have feathers just like other animals have fur, but birds are the only animals that have feathers. They couldn't survive if they didn't. Feathers are used mostly for flying, but that's not the only thing that they're good for. All birds use them for warmth and to protect them from the wind, sun, and rain. But some birds also use feathers to hear, make sounds, to feel, find food, make their nest, and many other things.
Evolution is the process that changes the way that animals look and act over long periods of time. These changes often result in the animal having a better chance of survival. An example of evolution is the idea that feathers changed from the simple rod-shaped structures like this one, which were probably used strictly for warmth, to more complex feathers like this one that we see on birds today. These modern feathers can be used for a variety of activities, such as flight and camouflage. This is a drawing of an ancient feathered dinosaur. Fossils have shown us that this ancient dinosaur probably had feathers much like the ones we are used to, and maybe the link between flying dinosaurs and the birds we see today. One of the most important uses of feathers is that they can help control movement while birds are in flight. Feathers on the wings of birds may look like separate structures, but in reality they are connected by different types of muscles. These muscles allow the birds to lift or lower all of their wing feathers at the same time, which can aid in changing the direction of the bird while it's flying. This clip depicts a bird raising and lowering its wings. This movement changes the position of the feathers, which can make the bird less affected by wind and can help it move up and down in the air. Male birds can also use feathers as a way to attract female birds. This video shows a male peacock extending its feathers to look pretty for the female.
Sometimes having bright-colored feathers is a bad thing. Many birds are eaten by other animals and even bigger birds, so having dull feathers, like brown or black, allows them to hide in trees or along the ground. This is known as camouflage. Water birds, like the penguin, use feathers to help them swim better and to protect them from water when diving for fish. Penguins have black and white feathers, so while hunting fish, they cannot be seen. This is very important for their survival. Some birds that hunt and eat small animals rely on good hearing to be able to find and catch their food. The owl is one of those birds. One reason they can hear so well is because their feathers around their ears. They are arranged in a way that channels the sound more loudly and clearly. This helps them hunt mice in the dark. Some owls can hear 10 times better than humans. So birds have feathers for various reasons, some of which include flying, camouflage, finding food, and attracting a new friend. So, the next time you go outside and see a bird, think about all the reasons they have the feathers that they have.